Valentine's Day is usually about giving love to others. We think about partners, family, friends, about what we can do, what we can give, how we can show up. But today, I want to gently propose something different. This Valentine's Day, what if instead of asking yourself to give more, you allowed yourself to receive a little? I want to talk about giving love to yourself intentionally, without guilt, without feeling like you need to earn it. Because loving yourself is not something extra, it's not a luxury, it's the foundation for everything else. When you take care of yourself, when you slow down, when you reconnect with something that brings you calm, you naturally show up with more patience, more presence, and more love for the people around you. For me, watercolor has always been more than painting. It's a way to pause, a way to breathe, a way to come back to myself when my mind feels full. But I also know that watercolor can feel intimidating. You might love how it looks, but feel blocked when it's time to start. And that's not because you're not creative. Most of the time, it's because no one showed you a gentle way to learn. This is one of my flower practice sheets. You'll notice the light gray guides. They are not there to limit you. They are there to support you. They remove the pressure of, where do I start? Am I doing this right? What if I mess it up? These sheets are designed to be printed on regular printer paper, so you don't have to worry about wasting watercolor paper. That fear alone stops so many people before they even begin. With these pages, you are free to practice, repeat, explore, and learn without fear. As I paint, notice something. I'm not rushing. I'm not forcing the brush. I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm simply following the guides and letting my hand learn the movement. This is what I mean when I say you learn through feeling, not guessing. Without guides, many beginners freeze. They overthink every brushstroke. They doubt themselves before they even start. With guides, something shifts. Your mind quiets down. Your hand starts remembering. And confidence builds gently, almost without effort. This is why people often tell me, I feel I've been painting longer than I actually have. Before I continue, I want to give you something. I've included a free daisy flower practice sheet for you as a gift. You can download it using the link in the description below. Print it on regular printer paper and start trying this way of learning for yourself. This single practice sheet can help you gain confidence, relax, have fun, remove pressure, and feel more comfortable with your brush. It's also perfect as a warm-up exercise. Even if you already paint with watercolor or use other brush techniques, you can use it before a painting session to loosen your hand, calm your mind, and reconnect with the joy of painting. Look for the link in the description below and feel free to use it as many times as you want. I created these practice sheets because of my own experience. I've been exactly where you are, staring at the blank page, not knowing how to begin, feeling stuck for far too long. Once I discovered that learning didn't have to be hard or intimidating, everything changed. With the right guidance, watercolor became easier, more enjoyable, more natural. And I don't want anyone to feel stuck the way I did. That's why I share these resources and why I often give them away to my newsletter subscribers. If you are not subscribed yet, I really encourage you to join. I'm always sharing gentle tools, guides, and resources to support your creative journey. This calm, guided way of learning is exactly what I built into my Valentine's Day live watercolor workshop. It's a 3-hour experience designed as a gift to yourself. We'll spend 2 hours painting together step by step and 1 full hour for questions and answers, so you leave feeling clear and supported. You'll receive 14 different flower practice sheets, each one guiding you through a new flower. And everything will be recorded, so even if you're watching this after the live on February 14th, you can still enjoy it at your own pace. This is not about rushing. It's about learning gently, enjoying the process, and trusting yourself. If this feels like something you need, if you are craving a few hours of calm, creativity, and intentional self-love, I would truly love to paint with you. All the details are below. And if this isn't your time, that's okay too. I'm still really glad you are here. Just remember this: giving yourself love is not selfish. It's necessary. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope this video gave you something valuable. A little calm, a little clarity, and a gentle invitation to begin. Until next time, keep playing.